Morning. It's time for the Stipend Breakfast Quiz, and I'm your hostess, Nyaradzo Makombe. And guys, I tell you, if you're gonna go on our page, you can find out.
Take it easy.
I'm trying.
Every gold
You know what, Nikki?
Take it easy.
They're beasts in the studio. But oh my God, we need to get through this. So we've got the Sables senior team in the building. Hello, guys, and welcome.
Morning.
Good morning. Did you hear that? He's like, morning. It's like it's coming out of his muscles. But anyway, I am the quiz mistress and I'm not going to be swayed. But I also see that the Stipend team has brought in reinforcements. You guys even have the engineer on your team today. You must be running scared. I don't blame you because of the size of these guys. I hope. Let's see how their brains do. So, can you introduce your team, please?
Okay, hi guys. My name is Dion Kumalo. I'm the vice captain of the senior men's rugby team, the Sables, and with me is David Makamba and Takunda Kundishora and Vuyani Lomo.
Great. I know that something is coming up. Something is coming up for you guys. Want to tell me a bit about that?
Yes. On Saturday we have a game with Botswana.
Okay.
We're playing them at 2:30 at Harare Sports Club. Please guys do come out and support us. Last week we had a game, we won, the turnout was good, and we appreciate the support.
Absolutely amazing. We can guarantee you that Ruvaniki and I will be there cheering.
Thank you.
Anyway, could you please choose your team? Are you team A or team B?
We'll go with team A because we've always been the team A.
Okay.
And a winning team.
All right, Star FM team, ET, you ready?
Yeah, been ready.
All right, and you guys are team B.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, let's get into it. Team A, your question. Which year was short-lived state of Zimbabwe Rhodesia established? Which year was the short-lived state of Zimbabwe Rhodesia established?
Is that our question?
No.
Because it's unfortunate. This is the hard question.
Your answer?
We'll go with 1979.
1979 is indeed correct. Team B, your question. In which year did the Rhodesian government declare UDI?
66. 65.
65.
1965 is the correct question. The answer. Right? Second question. What was Cote d'Ivoire called before? Yeah. That's Team A's question. What was Cote d'Ivoire called before? Before being renamed, actually.
Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast is indeed correct. Team B, your question. What was Ethiopia called before? Girl, I'm Rasta, but no.
Abyssinia.
Correct. Why are you not confident? Are you intimidated by the size of the guys in the building? All right, Team A, your question. Who was the first president of the United States? Who was the first president of the United States?
George Washington.
George Washington is indeed correct. Team B, your question. Who was the first president of Kenya upon its independence? Who was the first president of Kenya upon its independence?
Arab Moi.
Incorrect. The correct answer is Jomo Kenyatta. Team A, complete this Zimbabwean musician's name. Complete this Zimbabwean musician's name. It's Fanuel Nyasha. Who?
They won't get it right.
Chirinda.
The correct answer I want is Fanuel Nyasha Tajida, aka System Tajida.
Oh.
Team B, complete this Zimbabwean artist's name. Brian K.
I beg your pardon.
And she's a DJ here. Complete this Zimbabwean artist's name. Brian K. What does K stand for?
Kandemu.
No. Wait. What was the name of that?
Is there time to this?
Yeah.
Be careful, the time is ticking.
Just go.
Okay, Kandengu, let's go with that.
Incorrect, actually, it's Kadengu.
It's pronounced.
Team B, no. This is Shona.
Our end is dominant.
Team A, your question. In which TV series do you find the character Anthony Dinozo? In which TV series do you find the character Anthony Dinozo? Come on, guys. Spend their time in the field. TikTok, guys.
Vampire Diaries.
Incorrect. It's actually NCIS. Team B, your question. In which TV and film franchise do you find the character Stuart Bloom? In which TV and film franchise do you find the character Stuart Bloom?
Stuart Bloom.
And that is our question.
Yes, that is your question. Hillary, this is your question. Oh my God, you guys are going to kick yourselves, but anyway. Your time is up. The answer is The Big Bang Theory.
Stewie.
Yeah.
The book.
Yes.
Shop.
Exactly.
Or the video game shop.
And I told you were going to kick
Just
yourself.
kick me, man.
Yes. Team A, your question. In which part of the UK is the city of Glasgow? In which part of the UK is the city of Glasgow?
Scotland.
Scotland is indeed correct. Team B, in which US state do you find the city of Los Angeles?
California.
California is indeed correct. Team A, in computing, what does MS-DOS stand for? In computing, what does MS-DOS stand for?
MS-DOS.
Yeah, DOS. What does it stand for? In computing. Nicola, whatever you listed is wrong. It's Microsoft Disk Operating System. Team B, your question. Team B, your question. In computing, what does Wi-Fi stand for? In computing, what does Wi-Fi stand for? You've got an engineer in the building.
Wireless fidelity.
Wireless fidelity is correct.
Hey.
Team A, your question. Team A, your question. What day did Pope Francis die?
Oh,
Oh.
shit.
What day did Pope Francis die?
What is the day?
18 April.
It was actually Easter Monday, guys. Team B, your question. How old was Pope Francis when he passed away?
Come on, 88.
88 indeed correct. Team A, your question. When was Highlanders Ngezi Platinum where did Highlanders Ngezi Platinum Stars play against each other this week?
Oh my goodness.
Where did Highlanders Ngezi Platinum Stars play each other this week?
These guys will play also.
This week.
I think so.
I love the reasoning.
Okay. Baba Fuse.
Incorrect. The correct answer is Mondoro Ngezi. Team B, your question. In which city did Zimbabwe play against Bangladesh?
Chittagong. So they played two test matches. Chittagong and Chittagong.
No, the one that I have says Sayed.
Thank you very much.
So he was trying to reason with me. But anyway, final question. Team A, your final question. Listen very carefully. Your parents have 6 sons, including you, and each son has 1 sister. How many people are in the family?
7.
Is that your final answer?
David?
How many children, right?
You're the maths teacher, bro.
Yeah. Your parents have 6 sons. Yeah. Your parents have 6 sons, including you, and each son has 1 sister. How many people are in the family?
7.
Incorrect answer is 9. Says 2 parents, 6 sons, and 1 daughter.
Oh my God.
Did you not say how many children? No, you said how many children.
That's what my script says. Tim B, last question. A man was walking in the rain. He was in the middle of nowhere. He had nothing and nowhere to hide. He came home all wet, but not a single hair on his head was wet. Why is that?
I guess so.
Yeah, because he was bald-headed.
Sorry, he was bold. That's correct. That's the final answer.
Zim Rugby 4,
We need to
Breakfast
find
Club
Zim
6.
Yeah. We won?
No, we're humble. We're humble.
Oh.
Relax.
All right. Gents, we appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming through. We've got to cross over to the news desk. It's 9 o'clock. Yeah.
This is Zim Paper's Radio Broadcasting News.
Good morning.
Engineering for God's sake. What wrong with it? Who's the I think we need to ask Jay what he was talking about because I was so confused. I was like,